Hey, what's up guys, I'm SPS, your host, and welcome to Tech Eliminator channel. And today I'm pretty much straightforwardly walking you through the Tor, which is hell. So without wasting any time, so let's get started. You know what, if you guys want to download that software, which is open source, free to download, contains no virus, you can pretty much download that, and a link will be in the description below. So let's open this. You know what, I'm already installed, downloaded and installed already. So this is the shortcut of this Tor browser. So let's start Tor browser now. Oh damn, my gosh. Yeah, establishing a connection here, guys. Another thing you need pretty fast internet, all the time. It just rolling up all the time, because it literally to keep you safe from the hackers. Guys, if you don't know what you're walking through, so don't even dare to come here in this browser, because it literally hackers are flooded in this browser. You don't know, this is all anonymous content. No one knows, unknown persons but famous, that is known as anonymous. And literally I'm using this Airtel hotspot, which is Airtel SIM in that, and it serves me 5 MB per second, which is good. So I'm literally good to go with. You know what, it's pretty much similar to Chrome, as you're seeing here. Now this is no new tab. If you want new tab all the way, go there and you will getting all the time. And 4-bit script globally advised. Please do not, if you don't know what you're doing, don't even dare to go that, and don't mess that up, because it pretty much does to protect your browser or your laptop or computer, whatever you're using. Guys, this icon pretty much, you know what, if you are feeling someone is sniffing you, or you're getting into the man in a middle attack, or if you feel someone is hacking you, just the thing you need to do is get a new identity. So this is a pop-up window. Tor will close all windows in your browser. All sessions will be lost. It will restart to get you new identity. This is the browser version of the browser. This is welcome to Tor browser. You're free to browse internet anonymously. Anonymous is the person who is famous but unknown. In the case that's not anonymous is. And please don't score me, because I'm keeping the pretty much this much browser size, because I'm going to show you now. If I extend this, the warning the browser which going to give me, see, as I extended that, maximizing Tor browser, as you're seeing on the screen. Maximizing Tor browser can allow website to determine your monitor size, and which is used to track. You recommended that not to leave the Tor browser original size or default size. So click OK. I'm pretty much I made a maximized my Tor browser. So I'm going to get the new identity. This is the way you will get the new identity. So pretty much it's closed itself and open a new pop-ups, a new window. So let's test Tor browser. And Tor browser, you know what, Tor is the onion root. You may be observed that onion will be having layers by layers, right? I hope you have saw that. And in this similar way, this browser going to make a layer by layer to keep you as safe as you can. You know what, let me show you something. So you know what, let me confirm that this safe is keeping me safe and anonymous browse, so no one can track me. You know what, this is my IP address, right? Actually this is not my IP address, so let me show you that is actually not my IP address. If I show that, what is my IP.com, you know what, this Tor browser literally protects only your Tor browser. It does not protect your whole PC or laptop, so you need to use externally. You need to use some kind of VPN or something to protect yourself. As you can see on the screen, guys, let me maximize this. Oops. What is my IP? My IP is, as you're seeing on the screen, 223.237.187.169, and IPv6 is not detected because it's pretty much not that much. Local IP is, this is my local IP. I mean this is where the place I connected, and ISP internet service provider Bharti Airtel. So as you are seeing, I'm using Airtel, right? This is a Airtel, and this Tor browser giving me this as my IP. You know what, let me show you something again. Where the hell is that now? Oh my goodness. Wait a minute, guys. I would like to show you something which is interesting. Yeah, there you go. You know what, how Tor browser protects us. This is a browser. Think this is a browser, as you're seeing on the screen. This is a browser, right? This browser directly connected to the Netherlands, which is giving me this IP 185.62.57.162. This browser is directly connected to the Netherlands and Netherlands server. Think this is my browser directly connecting to the Netherlands. I'm tripping out, so I'm sorry, I do apologize for that. And Netherlands, and directly redirects to Ukraine, which is my actually that's not my IP. 91.213.8.101, that's another IP. And Ukraine to Skez Republic, you know, Skez, that's another country. It's hitting there, you know, 185.152.65.180, and directly it's serving me internet. You know what, this is the browser which directly not even connecting to this ISP. This is connecting to the Netherlands, and Netherlands to Ukraine, Ukraine to Skez, and after that directly hitting to my PC and giving me the internet. So I hope you guys pretty much understood about that. You know what, for example, someone decoded some message. I think someone is tracking you. You know, pretty much you can track this IP. The other backup IP is Ukraine's. If you think hacker is awesome, he can track pretty much. If he even tracked Ukraine, there is another backup for me, Netherlands. And pretty much if he tracks me, that even it literally closed itself and opens a new session for me. So this is how pretty much Tor does works. So I hope you understand, and I hope you're getting a little bit boring, and there is a section where you can choose other languages. So no, I don't know other languages other than English, and pretty much my original language. So this is a version. So search securely with the DuckDuckGo. Okay, this thing does not, as you're seeing, this is not a Chrome. this serves as a Chrome, but this is not a Chrome, guys. Please do not. And another tip and tricks, if you ask me, don't browse facebook.com. You know what, browsing Facebook, Gmail and others, think guys, another thing, think you are browsing, you have browsed your Facebook, you have logged in and logged out, and you need to check email. Think you are checking email, and you have logged into Gmail, and you have logged into Yahoo pretty much, and other stuff. After that, you pretty much like to browse dark web. So there are some JavaScript code in there. They can easily exploit you all the way to hackers. So I know guys, you are feeling a little bit, you know, Tor is censored in my country, Tor network. If you are not getting any of internet, so you can check this. And let me go to settings. Save, print, bookmarks, all the same, similar as of Chrome. And is there anything to demonstrate you? And another thing, guys, dude, whatever. Another thing is, do not maximize this browser. I'm strongly recommending you to not maximize this browser. Maximizing this browser may lead to brutally. You know what? You're literally giving all the passwords, and without knowing, giving all passwords to the hacker. Hey, take these passwords and hack. This is the thing what you're doing after maximizing this browser. So I do not recommend this. So let me go through this. So you can untrusted. So this is the untrusted, trusted websites. You know what? As I said earlier, you can pretty much modify all the additional settings. Dude, whatever you are, I'm a little bit tripping out here, so I cannot talk much. Please do click this no script. You know what? JavaScript, which will be embedded in the HTML code. One click on that and you are exploited. All your user information, password are exported. And another thing, do not download from dark web. You know, you don't know what is dark web, deep web and surface web. I will have made a video about that, so link will be in description. And this is the notification which notifies you all the time what the instance, what the circumstances, and all the time, general, temporarily. Okay, this is pretty much about this. And today, you know what, this is the Tor browser. Let me search something. Duck. You know what, I'm getting 5 MB per second. That should be blazing speed, but 5 MB per second is awesome speed, but this taking this much time. If you are using 1 MB per second, this could take 30 to 40 seconds to browse up. If you got literally I mean 360 KB per second, it could take you 1 or 2 minutes to browse or to go through the internet. So I will show you my IP on this, guys. Let me go here, do that. Let me go here. First of all, what is my IP? What is my IP? copy. Where is that website now? Also, let me check this out. You know, as you're seeing on the screen, it's taking too long. Forbidden. There you go. This is the worst thing. Let me check this out. Yeah, there you go. I got this shit here. And this is my IP, which is, of course, this is not my IP. This is the location actually, whereas I'm not in that location at all. This is not my host name at all, but it's showing its host. And pretty much you can see on the screen, guys, only normal script exploded, and they are showing Firefox as an Tor browser and a PC. And pretty much I'm using, this is Windows 8.1, but this shit shows Windows 7. You know what, this is just showing awesome. Guys, another thing, you will find some settings, cookies, just disable them, and JavaScript, that is mandatory to disable. And there is something notification there. Let me take a look. Oh, this are the all website showing. Okay, you know what, I'm going to pretty much copy this into the Chrome browser. Let's see what happens. Paste, and there we go. What happened? Nothing happened just now. Copy. Let me open this in here. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. Guys, I'm not. This video is not edited. You know, this video is whole reality. This is real video, and I did not edit any of this. Other than that, subscribe and like. Please like my videos and subscribe to me. You know what, this is my real IP. This is a browser. This is Karnataka, which is my location. This is my IP. This is a PC. Actually, I'm using PC now, as you know. Windows 8.1, as you're seeing. This is a Windows 8.1. As this pops up, this is a Mozilla Firefox. No, not that. This is Chrome agent user. Okay, as you can see, you're seeing operating system. This shows you the browser is, I'm pretty much using Windows 8.1, and this shows Windows 7, which literally means we are safe. Actually, I am safe using Tor browser. If you just maximize, all your information will be gone into hackers and or scammers. There are many scammers in this illegal website, so do not. Pretty much, guys, I hope you enjoy my video. If you guys like, if you find this video as informative, I'm pretty much sure how Tor browser works, how it makes a chain of IP, and how to check your IP address. This is the website, iplocation.net, find .net/find minus IP minus address. In that way you can find your IP and all the. And I showed you pretty much. You should not maximize this browser. So it's a time to end this video, and thank you for watching. Please give me a like, guys. If you give that, I will be so motivated to do kind of doing this like this kind of videos, so give a thumbs up if you like, if you found this video or tutorial as informative, and you can comment me anytime. So thank you and bye.